Hello everyone. So right now we're going to open box or open a package from Temu. Okay, ready. So right now we're going to open this Temu, our order. So let's see what it's gonna be look like. So how's the packaging, so we can see if it is good, to order in Temu. Okay, go. Open it.
Okay, ready? We'll start opening it.
Okay, let's see. Let's see how the packaging.
It's like French fries. It's very firm.
Huh?
It's like, people. So so you could open it easily, but you will get stuck at the tape part.
Okay, you can open it. I think that's enough to. Okay, so what do we get there?
So here, oh my goodness, I don't really know what are these.
Okay, yeah. So this is like a
These are like
package. Okay, yeah. So that is for the school. So yeah.
more school things.
Okay, more school things.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is like the exfoliation.
Okay, so these are.
What is that? Okay, that is a spelling game.
What is this?
Okay, so this is So this is like the brush. Yeah.
Oh, and then the days of the week.
Okay.
And I think there's more. There's more.
Yeah. Okay.
So there's more.
What else?
They have like something.
Oh yes, the
Oh my
coins.
goodness! What is this?
Oh, that is sight word.
Wait, what's in here? It's like,
Yeah, that is like a coin base. Money jar. You see?
okay. I think I know what it is. I think there's only this. No.
That's a money jar.
It contains this. Oh no! Oh yeah. Right.
That will automatic count your money.
Yeah, it'll tell you how much you have.
Yes.
It's like 136.
Okay, what else?
And then the rest are the same.
Okay.
Yay! So we have 3 of them.
Okay, no more?
And then now we have
Okay, so what can you say about the packaging?
let's take this red one.
Is the packaging of Temu is good? It's good? They are intact? No damage?
This
Packaging.
one is already,
The packaging.
packaging.
Is good or no?
Yeah, it's good, but their parts, it's already like people already opened them.
Okay.
So
But the items are in a good shape?
let me see. Yeah, they're pretty good.
Okay.
But like the boxes are ripped.
Yeah, it's like dent, huh?
Yeah, it's like 10. So I would give it like 7 out of 10. I will give
Okay. How about you?
I like that.
Okay.
So what would you rate it?
Okay, so do you think we can order
I think
and Temu?
I think it would be approved to be ordered.
Okay, because it's good. It's good.
I'm
You
gonna
get
give
all
it-
your orders
I'm gonna
in
give
Temu.
I want to give it a 10 and a 10. Temo, we give you a 7 out of 10. 10
Yes.
out of 10.
Okay, thank
Alright,
you
thank
for
you.
watching.
See you. Bye.
Bye.